Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you browse your web on Vizio Smart TV and install apps. So here's a guide for your browser options and casting workarounds. Step 1. Cast from your phone or computer, which is the most recommended one. Connect your Vizio TV and your phone or computer to the same Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser such as Chrome or Safari on your device. Tap on Click the Cast or Screen Mirroring option. Select your Vizio Smart TV from the list of available devices. Your browser will appear on the TV screen. Step 2. Connect the streaming device. Plug the streaming device into an HDMI port on your Vizio TV. Complete the device setup. Install a web browser if the streaming platform supports one, for example, Silk browser on Fire TV. Step 3. Connect a computer. Connect your laptop or desktop to the TV using an HDMI cable. Select the correct HDMI input on the TV. Use your computer's web browser on the TV screen. For SmartCast TVs, mostly 2018 and newer model, you cannot manually install apps. Instead, you need to press the Home or V button on the remote, open the Apps row, select a supported app such as Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, or Hulu, sign in and start streaming. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.